If you've ever wondered how to unsend mail in Gmail after 1 hour, here's the important truth right up front. Gmail cannot unsend an email after 1 hour if it has already been delivered. That means once the message leaves your account and reaches the recipient, there is no built-in Gmail option that can pull it back after that long. So if you were hoping for a one-click undo after an hour, Gmail simply does not support that. What Gmail does offer is an undo send feature, but it only works for a very short window after you hit send. The maximum time you can set is 30 seconds, so if you want the best possible chance to catch a mistake, you need to make sure that undo send is turned on and set to the full 30 seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. Now let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Sign in if needed, and once you're inside Gmail, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the quick settings panel, choose See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings page where you can control all the important options. Next, stay on the General tab and scroll down until you find the Undo Send section. Here, you'll see the cancellation period settings. Open the drop-down and select 30 seconds. This is the maximum undo time Gmail allows, and it gives you the longest possible buffer after sending an email. After selecting 30 seconds, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. That's an important step because if you don't save, the setting won't apply. Now, every time you send an email, Gmail will show you an undo option for up to 30 seconds after sending. If you realize you made a mistake during that time, you can click undo and stop the email from going out. But again, if 1 hour has already passed, Gmail cannot recall or unsend that message through this feature. If the email has already been delivered, the only real options are to send a follow-up message, ask the recipient to ignore it, or contact them directly if it was sensitive. So the key takeaway is simple. Gmail cannot unsend mail after 1 hour, but you can reduce future mistakes by setting undo send to 30 seconds right now. If you found this useful, please like this video and subscribe for more practical Gmail tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.